Hello and welcome to Yoda Trade. Let's take a quick tour of Yoda Trade website. So if you're already registered at Yoda Trade, you can just enter your mobile number and generate an OTP and then log in. So if you're a new user, you need to enter your first name, last name, email, country code and mobile number and date of birth, and then you need to sign up. And once you sign up, you have to log in with the mobile number and generate an OTP. So once the OTP is sent, you need to enter the OTP and then log in. At Yoda Trade, you can create your own strategies using over 70 plus technical indicators, up to 5 entry and exit conditions on any stock, future contract, commodity and currency future. There are 4 steps in order to create your own strategy and backtest it. So let's go through each and every step and create our own strategy and backtest it. Step 1 is script. Here we need to give every bit of information about the script. So let's add an instrument. Let's add Nifty 50 and let the candle interval be 15 minutes, and start date let's go for 10th August and stop date be 17th itself. Brokerage percentage is 1.5. Let's go for a capital of 1 lakh, and then we have position, let's go with buy, and quantity, let's go for 10, and we have the start time and end time, let that be a default value, and then chart type is candlestick and order type is MIS since it's intraday. So this is first step, and then let us decide about the entry, and here we need to go with the primary indicator. Let's go for a simple moving average of period, let's say 5, and we need to add a comparator. Let's go for crosses below, and let's go for secondary indicator as a simple moving average with a period of 50. Yeah, this is our entry, and let's decide the exit. So let's go for a stop loss of 2% or a target profit of 5%, and then we need to enter a strategy name. Let's enter SMA strategy. Let's save and backtest it. Once the strategy is backtested, you get these results. You get the summary of your strategy here, and there are some parameters which you can see here, like the number of wins, losses, maximum gain, maximum loss, and average gain per winning trade and average loss per losing trade. This is a layout where you can get the summary of the results of your backtesting of the strategy, and you can also get the stock performance in the given period, that is period high, period low and period return, and you can observe the signals generated here in the graph. So you get the buy and sell signals here, and in this final layout of summary, you get the instrument, the buy and sell, the signal, the type of signal, that is buy and sell, and you also get the quantity and the price. Once you feel that this strategy is profitable, you can just click on deploy. So the strategy which we created is here, and you can also undeploy it. If you click on view strategy, you can just get the details of the strategy here, and if you feel that if you want to edit this strategy, you can just click and view backtest, and here you get the option for edit strategy. So you can edit again the parameters which you want to change, and then again you can just click on edit and backtest, and all the strategies will be available at all strategies. In this layout you can see all the previously created strategies, and whenever a signal is generated, either buy or sell, SMS alert is sent to your mobile. And this was the tour of Yoda Trade. Happy trading. Thank you.